Hello guys, my name is Anatoliy, I'm an inventor, and today on this rainy day in Brooklyn I want to declare the feature that I noticed over my recent design. I called it Opinel clip, and what it does that the clip makes your Opinel less slippery, so it's an anti-slippery clip in the same time. If you notice, the Opinel has pretty much a slippery handle, and sometimes it's very critical, but my clip makes it more safe. So having the clip on an Opinel knife make your cutting more safe. It's very good that you have this clip, especially for the wet environment like this morning. So it would be safe to have this clip placed on a knife, and I believe that's a good feature that I have to talk about.